So you might have heard a lot of people says if you want to manifest, make a vision board and it will uh, do magic in your life. But do you know why people fail with the visualization or affirmations or vision board? Basically, they are putting a lot of information in that particular board. So we are going to talk about this topic. So my name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, and so many other things. So basically, what I have understood in last many years in my teaching experience, that people are doing and following everything which is available on the internet or the Google. And the best part is that you are practicing half things. You are just following the half steps, or you are implementing the half knowledge. And with half knowledge you cannot manifest a lot of beautiful things into your life. So basically, when you are actually wishing to create a vision board, what you have to do is you don't have to overcrowd the board first of all. Second thing is that if you take a lot of vague pictures, if you're not clear, if it is not the clear manifestation of your life, what you are wanting, then it's not gonna happen. Example, you are wanting to manifest money and you are putting dollars. Okay, it's nice that you're putting dollars, but if you're not writing the exact number with it, it's not gonna work. You're wanting to get a house, but what kind of house do you want? Research, have those photos. If you want to travel, don't just put the aeroplane or the world or the globe. Just be specific where you want to go. And second thing is why people don't actually take the benefit of the vision board is because it's not there in front of their eyes. So basically you have to put the vision board to a place where it is visible on your wallpaper, on your cupboard, on your office table, on your every damn where, everywhere you have to put that thing. Maybe it will be finding weird for you, but you have to understand, if it is not there in front of your eyes, you're not going to manifest it. You are just seeing it once and then you are off to your work or your life, and it's not gonna work like that. You just have to put it everywhere. Wherever you go, you have to have that. Just the best part is create a good wallpaper and just see it. And when you are seeing it, just see that you are actually having the things which is mentioned on the vision board. Take some pictures out, take some text out, and make sure you are doing this thing with a lot of emotions. Because when you are taking time, when you are like making the vision boards, you are investing your time and your energy, 1 hour, 2 hours, then that particular time what you're gonna do is, so basically you are putting your emotions into it. And if you're not putting your emotions, then the activity is just worthless. So when you are actually finding out the images, just feel that how it is going to actually feel when you are having that manifestation, how it is going to help you, or how you are going to live that life when you're traveling, when you're having the house. So basically emotions are important, and also clear pictures are important, clear text is important. Whatever you want, make sure you're writing those things down, you're having those pictures. Don't make it so overcrowded, make it clear, so whenever you see it, it directly impacts your subconscious mind and you have that image, oh, you're wanting this thing. So when you are actually having that vibration, universe is going to give you those particular things into your life. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you. Take care. Stay happy. And may you manifest all your goals, dream, desires, and wishes in your life. Om Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.